What's going on, guys? Damn, someone's flying over there. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Yeah, today we're gonna be going to a car meet that me and my friends put together, mostly Reese and Mike. But wow, it's a Lambo. Again, bringing out the F83 today. So I'm not sure if I included. I don't know what I'm gonna do because I filmed two things today. Earlier today, I went to Miami and kind of went to go eat and stuff like that. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna put that in this video or make that a separate video. But yeah, we're gonna start up and we're gonna go to a little chicken place and eat there and chill out. Should be some nice cars. So yeah, let's get to it. Warming up right now. It's kind of already warmed up, but yeah, this should be a great meet. This has been planned for a little bit, so it's definitely gonna be a bigger turnout than my last video. I think gonna be a bigger meet, more people, better cars, and we got some chicken, we got some food, which is, you know, I'm all about. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we get there, when we're about to pull in. Oh shit!
Get these pieces of shit out of here. Right here. This is a massive 340R.
What's done to it?
Everything.
Should I put a clip in right now?
Yeah.
Alright, here's an anti-lag clip. Alright,
like the car, man?
this is Lightning McQueen type shit.
Type shit.
This is West Miami, right? Yeah. I'm taking the M4CS. I'm kidding. M5? M4 Comp?
No, I'd be him in a race.
Okay. Alright, now we're just talking out our ass now. Now we're just talking out our ass. I was going like 45% throttle because it was like slippery out. Yeah, pop that shit. Pop it, bro.
There's a kid in West Palm.
Please pop it.
Like a big no.
Like all the things I would do to you. Yeah. Parkour this bitch! Oh!
There's something on your window.
Parkour. I wonder if he just crashes it right now, Reese. God damn. M4CS and M340i pulling up.
That's cool.
I said once, but I guess that works too. Oh shit, the Subaru's. Oh shit. You missed like 4 gears, but whatever.
Yeah, bro.
Hey man. Yeah, we're back in it. This bitch got one headlight, so I'm staying away from this. This G80 is so clean. I need a G80. This M5 is nasty. There's two M4 CSs. Bunch of CSs tonight. Two M4 CSs, M3 CS, Cam's F3 CS, M3 CS. That's how you leave right there. Damn.
Oh yeah. What the fuck are you doing? That's probably like let go of me, you queer. I got that shit on video, bitch.
I got it first. You're going to jail. Yeah, Mike wanted.
I'm a dig, bro.
Damn.
Rear wheel drive 340, took an all-wheel drive RS3.
Alright, it looks like Mike won by maybe half a car, but Reese is also stock. That shit was crazy. Mike's lip is fucked. Oh.
Idiot, bro.
I guess he needs a new lip now. Thoughts?
I missed one. Now you're gonna punch me. I'm thinking. You know.
By the way, that's all on camera, by the way.
You know we were. I was late. You know I was late.
It's all good. You lost one.
Tell me you know I was late. Insane. If I didn't miss the
Stop!
one.
I'm getting a phone call.
Hold on, let me just. Alright, we're rolling out of the meet now. That shit was a great meet. It's packed. That was actually fire. Phone was about to die, so I had to charge it. So, I was able to get a few that were on horizontal. So, but overall, that was a great meet. Way more intense than the last one. And this is what happens when it doesn't rain outside. You know, people actually want to come and do stuff. So, it was a fun meet, and we're actually rolling out now. Everyone's leaving. The cops kicked us out. But they were nice about it, so we're all good. Yeah, we're on the way out now. Everyone's dipping. I don't know if we're going back home or if we're going somewhere else. So I'll keep you guys updated. But right now I don't know what's happening. But yeah, sorry I couldn't get more videos for you guys. I had to go put in the charger so it didn't die. But this was a really good meet. So, but at the car meet, I got a ride in M340i. But it was stage 2 boot mod, I don't know what the fuck to call it. But that shit was fast. So all I really gotta do is downpipe and get a boot mod or MHD tune, and that's really it. It's very doable, and that would actually make this car go crazy. Alright, made it home safe once again, but it's hot as shit outside, so. Anyway, all made it one, back in one piece, and so am I. So, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it was better than my first one. I'll see you guys in the next video.